In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Zoho Forms works. Whether you're a beginner diving into digital form creation or someone looking to streamline your data collection process, Zoho Forms offers a comprehensive solution. We'll explore its functionalities and navigate through its user-friendly interface together. First, let's talk about what Zoho Forms is. Essentially, it's an online form-building tool that simplifies designing forms, capturing responses, and managing data efficiently. You can create forms for a variety of needs, from feedback surveys to event registrations, with no coding required. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to add fields, customize forms, and tailor them to your specific requirements. Moreover, Zoho Forms integrates seamlessly with other Zoho applications and third-party services, enhancing its versatility. Now that we understand its core purpose, let's turn our attention to the user interface. When you first log in, you'll notice the dashboard. It's designed to give you a quick overview of your forms and activity, keeping everything organized in one place. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll see the main menu, which is pivotal to navigating through Zoho Forms features. Let's go over these menu items. The first item on the list is Forms. This is arguably the central command of Zoho Forms. Here, you can create a new form, view your existing forms, and manage them effortlessly. When creating a form, you have the flexibility to choose from pre-designed templates or start from scratch, tailoring every detail to fit your needs. Next, we have Reports. Once your forms are live and collecting responses, the Reports section becomes invaluable. It's where you can dive into the data, generate reports, and analyze the information gathered. You can create detailed reports that help visualize your data through graphs and charts, making it easier to extract valuable insights and understand trends. Moving on, we find Tasks. In this section, you can manage any follow-up actions that need to be taken based on form submissions. This feature helps you stay on top of tasks that arise from your form data, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Following Tasks is Users, which allows you to manage the team or collaborators working on these forms. You can assign roles, set permissions, and monitor activities across your forms, fostering collaboration within your team. The Approvals feature is another valuable tool for workflows that require authorization. Here, you can set up approval processes for form submissions, ensuring that the right eyes are on important data before it's finalized. Finally, the Control Panel. This area is where you fine-tune the settings of your Zoho Forms account, manage your subscriptions, data preferences, and customize branding settings. And there you have it, a detailed overview of how Zoho Forms works and a tour of the dashboard's main menu items. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you feel more confident navigating through Zoho Forms. Whether you're looking to build a simple contact form or a complex survey, Zoho Forms is equipped to help you succeed. Thanks for watching and happy form building.